Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Soundcore H30i headphones and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage equalizer and browse between your presets. At first we have to enter sound effects over here, and here as you can see we have default Soundcore signature, but we can create our custom equalizer, and here we have to tap cancel. Now we can manage our equalizer, create it as you want to, for example like that, and now you can settings and rename our preset to, for example, custom hard reset, and now done. Now if we go back, we can see that here we have now custom EQ, custom hard reset. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.